And live, diri gyapon sa Ascenso Covered Court, it's our first Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup Game 3 karong hapon na sa Rural Division Games. It's Alegria versus Barangay Kahayagan. Sound check ta diha. Sound check ta diha. Aw lagi. And a big shout out to all the live viewers, especially from Kahayagan and Alegria watching live, no, via Ascenso Sports channel. Thank you very much for watching. It's a tip off. Bangkoyan, no? As you can see mga ka-Ascenso, we see the presence of Bangkoyan here for Barangay Alegria. Bangkoyan, our commercial player. Rodriguez. 18, no good. Bangkoyan gets the rebound. Lost that ball. Lost that handle. Irog to Rodriguez. Firing from downtown. No good this time. Bangkoyan with the rebound. Doon ni sila ka Bangkoyan. Katataas o kato number 7. Again. Gets the first blood for Barangay Alegria. Handugan babawi. Almost a block by Bangkoyan. Liagono inside feed. Balik sa labas. Intercepted by Bangkoyan. To 13. Balik kay Bangkoyan. Lays it up off the glass. Is good. Now to Rodriguez. Lays it up for 2. No good. Eh, tinayuan lang ni Bangkoyan ang rebound na yon. Intercepted. Pass intercepted by Irog. Goes out of bounds. Inside to Bangkoyan. Fakes. Fires. Bouncing off the rim. No good. Rebounded by Rodriguez. Now to Handugan. Liagono. Lays up for 2. No good pa rin. Bangkoyan all the way. Six to 0 run for Barangay Alegria. Handugan to Liagono. No good. Now to Bangkoyan. Pass break pass para kay Ikin. Ito sila pa ngayon. Ito sila. Eight to 0 run. Gutierrez. Liagono fakes and is fouled. Kadagit pa yung foul. Magsayo rin. Ay, si Magsayo. Oh, shout out Michelle Manggubat. Sige magkatawa si Michelle, oy. Wala na sulod. Sige magkatawa si Michelle, oy. Go Kahayagan from Febelin Leparto. Magsayo on the line, and it's good. Finally gets the first point for Barangay Kahayagan. Second throw ni Magsayo. And it's good. Nailing both free throws. 8 to 2 run for Barangay Alegria pa rin. Ikin to Bangkoyan sa labas. Crosses over. Bangkoyan umatake. Ball stripped from his hands. But there's a foul call against Magsayo.
Foul number 40. Magsayo. First personal foul. First team foul. Kahayagan.
Bangkoyan unable to make the first throw. Pangalawang tira kaya. And ayaw pa rin. Hanap ito na maligyag man eh. Hanap ito na maligyag man eh. Para na tayo sima-sima order eh. Number 23 to Ikin. Lumabas. Balik kay 23. Inside feed. For Bangkoyan in the middle is good. Naglinis pa ng rim bago pumasok. Gutierrez. To Handugan. Balik kay Gutierrez sa ilalim. Out of bounds. Ball will remain in Barangay Kahayagan.
Lot of fouls. Shot after 11.
Liagono. Balik kay Gutierrez. Palak sa ring. Second chance is good. Pass break pass ulit para kay Ikin. Gutierrez to Liagono. Fakes. Drives. Reverse layup, no good. Oh, Liagono. Magsayo di ay. Bangkoyan. Ang haba ng kamay ni Bangkoyan all the way. Still ayaw pa rin pumasok ang kanya mga tira. Now to Gutierrez. Feeding ito Magsayo. Pass intercepted. To Bangkoyan. Inside to Bangkoyan ulit. Ayaw pa rin pumasok. Irog-irog with the rebound. Handugan to Magsayo. Traveling violation committed by Magsayo. And Liagono and Handugan will check out. They'll be replaced by Liagono and Liagono. Puro Liagono na yung kahayagan. Barangay Liagono. Ikin, balik kay Flores. Traveling violation committed by number 13 of Barangay Alegria. Sanitary Tracy nila. Torres to Magsayo. Balik kay Torres sa gitna. Bouncing off the rim, no good. Bangkoyan with the rebound. Pinasa kay Bangkoyan. Muntikan pang nabitawan. Bangkoyan, strong body. Inside to number 13. Malalay, no good. Rebounded by Magsayo. Now to Liagono. Against two defenders. Liagono, not a pick and is fouled. And a timeout here is called by Barangay Alegria. As they lead by 8 points with 4 minutes and 14 seconds remaining in the first quarter. And this timeout mga ka-Asenso is brought to us by City Councilor Dr. Priscilla Dicky Fernandez. Liagono unable to make his first throw. Asa naman ito na maligyag Mane. Wala yung Mane diha, Joyce. Shout out sa atong table nga si Joyce Delicious. Liagono making the second throw. Curasa over Bongolo. Now to Flores, no good. Rebounded by Magsayo. Looking for someone to pass. Liagono gets that ball. Passing it to Liagono. Inside, Liagono, nice cut, no good for that layup. Bangkoyan with the rebound. Tatlo ang babantay kay Bangkoyan. Passing it to Bangkoyan, the number 7, no good pa rin. Rebounded by Liagono. To Torres. Balik kay Liagono. Fire from downtown, no good. Bangkoyan. Ball slipped from behind by Torres. Nice defensive play. Liagono up and under is good off the glass. Sherwin Manulat watching from Ramon Magsaysay. Bangkoyan for 3. Bang! First 3-pointer for Bangkoyan para sa Barangay Alegria. Irog-irog to Liagono, Magsayo. Liagono to Torres, babawi. It's too strong, gets his own rebound. Liagono, balik kay Torres, corner 3, short. Irog-irog with a rebound. Magsayo, balik kay Irog-irog. Ayun, Magsayo very frustrated dahil di nasalo ni Irog-irog ang pasa na yon. Pass break pass para kay Bongolo. Yes sir! 10-point lead for Barangay Alegria, 17-7. Irog-irog, nice cut kay Magsayo. Ball will remain in Barangay Kahayagan.
8 seconds to shoot.
Torres. Tuliagono. Balik. Out of
Shot
bounds.
clock 5.
Bola pa rin ng Barangay Kahayagan. Yagono to Magsayo against Bangkoyan. Magsayo nakalusot. Yes sir for the layup. Bongolo. Nadapa si Bongolo. Ball stolen and now the ball goes to Torres. Torres stops. Now pass it to Tuliagono. Attacking outside. Tuliagono in and out for the 3-point shot. Bangkoyan ulit. Now to Coraza. Side step. Pinoy step. Yes sir by Coraza. Torres. Ball strip from behind by Bangkoyan. Out of bounds. Ball remain in Barangay Kahayagan.
17 seconds to shoot.
Now to Liagono. Balik kay Torres. Inside. Magsayo. Another careless pass for Barangay Kahayagan. And another turnover for them. 55 seconds. Bongolo. Now to Bangkoyan. Corner 3. No good. 42 seconds. Rebounded by Bongolo. Nabitawan ang bola. Backcourt violation. Mapupunta sa Barangay Kahayagan ang bola with 38.2 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Still a 10-point lead for Barangay Alegria. Liagono to Torres for 3. Too strong ulit. Rebounded by Flores. Now to Bongolo. Easy 2 para kay Bongolo. Torres to Magsayo against Flores. Time winding down with 10 seconds left. Magsayo. Crossover, nakalusot. Nice speed para kay Torres sa gilid. And the ball goes to Barangay Alegria with 1.8 seconds left. Naapa ko diha. Muro na kong syagit ba?
1 second.
Ali, dari madam. Alitik og burger. Bangkoyan. And that's the end of our first quarter, mga ka-Asenso. 21-9. Alegria on the lead.
Game of the first quarter.
And back to our ball game, second quarter. Power play by Umambak, but a traveling violation is called there by the ref.
Eliminated by number 7.
Liagono. Gutierrez for 3. And no good. Magsayo gets the rebound. Na follow up. Ayaw pa rin pumasok. Tapi ka ng bola. Bangkoyan wins that rebound. Bangkoyan attacking. Lays it up for 2 by Bangkoyan. Handugan. Munti ka pang nabitawan. Liagono fakes. Foul from downtown. Too strong. Another rebound for Bangkoyan. Ball intercepted by Gutierrez. Now to Liagono, inside to Magsayo. Buian pahapit, oh. Handugan, attacking. Can't get it to go. Liagono with the rebound. Balik kay Handugan. Now to Liagono. Good team play here for Barangay Kahayagan. Everyone touches the ball from the inside.
Foul number 9. Bacoya. First personal foul. First team foul. Alegria.
Second throw ni Magsayo. And it's good. Now to Umambak. Another interception by Gutierrez. Gutierrez atake. Lays it up and good for that finger roll by Gutierrez. Now to Umambak. 2 against 4. And it's blocked. Albo with a save. No good. Gets his own rebound. Inside feed para kay Bangkoyan. Ball slipped from his hands. Stolen by Liagono. Against Bangkoyan. Nice feed to Gutierrez. Balik kay Liagono sa gitna. Ayaw pa rin. Liagono. Lays it up. No good. Naghahanap ng foul si Liagono. Umambak to Bangkoyan. Power play. And is fouled by Handugan. Go Alegria by Kimberly Flores Agoy.
Rivers second.
Back to our ball game as Bangkoyan nailing his first throw. Kalahati po sa puntos ang kalamangan ng Barangay Alegria. Handugan to Magsayo, crosses over against Umambak. Magsayo will try to get his own rebound pero hindi na umabot. Out of bounds, ball will go to Barangay Alegria. Montañez, inside feed to Bangkoyan. Nabitawan ng bola. Last touch, bola pa rin ng Alegria. O shout out kay Jong Calves. Happy birthday. Happy birthday Jong Calves by Go Alegria. By Alter Bangkoyan Calves. Handugan, Tuliagono, pinasa pa kay Gutierrez. And yes sir, by Gutierrez. Tanyas to Bangkoyan. Good power play by Umambak. Off the glass is good. Kini si Umambak o kini si Lumokso ba? Parintera ni sila ba? Yagono. Passing into the middle. Intercepted. Umambak ulit against Handugan. Umambak, another score for Umambak. 4 straight points for the Teddy Bear. Magsayo tries to look for a foul and nakakubit yun.
Jersey number 21, Montañez, first personal foul. She got 2 fouls.
Magsayo nailing the first throw. Umambak for his 6th straight points for Barangay Alegria. Handugan, Tuliagono sa gitna, and it's good. 30-19. Oh, lamang pa rin ang Alegria. Montañez. Ball straight from behind by Handugan. Tumigil pa, hinintay si Bangkoyan. And Handugan with that one-hander in the face of Bangkoyan. Ball stolen and intercepted by Magsayo. Rodriguez can't get it to go for that layup. Bangkoyan almost lost that ball. Masyado maliit ang bola para kay Bangkoyan. Inside to Bangkoyan. Yes, sir! Magsayo. Still no foul called. Magsayo looking for a foul. Umambak ulit. 8 straight points para kay Umambak. Timeout is called by Barangay Kahayagan. 34-21. Umambak with a spectacular performance. 8 straight points for Umambak. O shout out lang mini Alzun Gutierrez ug sa asawa niya nga nanganak. Uy mo ba? Why by YZ Kim. Congratulations di ay sa asawa ni Gutierrez nanganak karong adlaw. Congratulations. Welcome to the world, baby. Sa laki bayi. 34-21 with 3 minutes and 26 seconds remaining. Magsayo. Tuliagono, jumper. Ayaw pa rin. Bangkoyan with the rebound. No long pass. To Bonggolo. Agawan ang bola sa baba. Gutierrez with the hustle. And is fouled.
First personal foul. Third team foul. Alegria.
And Torres nailing a long three-pointer for Barangay Kahayagan. Binawi naman agad ni Bonggolo ang puntos. Bangkoyan. Daro si Bangkoyan sa ilalong. And Gutierrez, no good for the first throw. 38-23. Bangkoyan, grabe di naman kayo mo-unbox Bangkoyan. Long pass. One-hander by number 14, still shot on goal. Bonggolo saves the ball. Gutierrez to Torres. Balik kay Gutierrez for 3. Air ball. Bangkoyan with a rebound. Passing into Bonggolo. Fast break. Fast. Lays it up. No good. Malala is there to save. Ayaw pa rin. Bonggolo. Second chance. And there's a foul called. Bola pa rin. Mananatili sa Barangay Alegria. Torres. Fouls. Bonggolo. Mga nang take po nag-exam, no? Mga nang take po nag-exam. Mga nang take po nag-exam. Torres, turn around, fakes, fires and scores by Torres. Big shout out tayo no, sa tanang mga nag-take o board exam karong hapuna. Criminology licensure exam. Labi na sa kumanghod si Danrel Ibina. Oh, good luck sa exam. Og si kita? John Lester Gamones pod. No, yan classmate. Good luck and God bless no, sa tanang mga nag-take og board exam sa Criminology Licensure Examination. Malalay off the glass. No, among iampo og ipanghinaot nga makapasar ang mga ning take og exam karong hapuna. Kapoy ra ba jud kay nga exam tulo ka adlaw and this is the first day, no? Oh, this is the first day of their exam. Napasilay duha ka adlaw mabilin. Oh, napasilay duha ka adlaw nga kalbaryo. And what an overhead pass by Gutierrez para kay Torres. And that's the end of our first half, mga ka-Asenso. 38-27. Alegria is still on the lead. Di pa rin nakakahabol ang Barangay Kahayagan. But the ball is round. Let's see what happens in the second half. And again, big shoutouts sa mga nag-take og exam karon sa Criminology Licensure Examination. Labi na sa kumanghod nga si Danrel Ibina ug sa ihapon ang classmate nga ito, John Lester Gamones. And back to our ball game, third quarter mga ka-Asenso. Ekin. Pass intercepted by Gutierrez. 3 against 4. Gutierrez, no look pass para kay Irog-Irog. Masyadong mailalim si Irog-Irog for that play. Albo lost that ball. Shot out na siya ni Danilo Dandan by Junex Dandan. Yagono firing from downtown, no good. Rebounded by Bangkoyan. Now to Albo. Tiningnan pa si Yagono and is blocked by Yagono. Na, tanaw-tanaw pas kalaban. Palakarong ka. Shout out kay Clint Atup and Jongjong Calvez watching from Taguig City, Manila by Alcher Calvez. Ekin, bang! For a 3-pointer. Magsayo. Fakes. Di ko kita rep. Time sa rep. Ayun. Magsayo ulit. From the middle. Yes, sir, by Magsayo. Long pass para kay Albo. No foul called. Nakit ng matang ni Albo. Magsayo. Attacking. The first is blocked. And a traveling violation called against Magsayo as he was blocked from that shot. Bangkoyan firing from 3. No good. Rebounded now by Yagono. To Magsayo against Bangkoyan and is fouled. And another Magsayo will check in for Barangay Kahayagan, replacing Yagono. (41-29), still Alegre is on the lead. Bangkoyan, heavily guarded. Passing into Bangkoyan. Tulo na yun kabantay ni Bangkoyan para yun kalusot. Bunggolo. Careless pass, out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Kahayagan. Ayan, Bangkoyan, number 6 is triple team. Hindi talaga mapigilan si Bangkoyan. Kailangan ng 3 player. Magsayo in the face of Bangkoyan, no good. But another Magsayo is there to save the ball. 41-32, unti-unti nang humahabol ang Barangay Kahayagan. And another steal for Kahayagan. Yagono to Magsayo. Easy 2. Ekin. Crosses over. Bangkoyan. Corner 3. In and out. Rebounded by Gutierrez. Fast break pass para kay Magsayo. And is fouled by Bunggolo. Now Magsayo will go to the line to take free throws. And a timeout is called by Barangay Kahayagan. 6 minutes and 37 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Magsayo entering the zone, violation by Magsayo, so basket won't count and the ball will go to Barangay Alegria. Bangkoyan to Bangkoyan. Heavy traffic, no foul called.
Out of bounds.
Na yun, appear dayon para dili ko mag-away. Gutierrez. Air ball, sayang ang ankle breaker na yun ni Gutierrez.
Shot clock 11.
Gutierrez catches that pass. Magsayo fakes, drives. Gutierrez corner 3 and still no good. Rebounded by Liagono. Corner 3. Still shot won't go. Rebounded now by Ikin. Inamalas ngayon sa shooting ang Barangay Kahayagan. Bangkoyan all the way by Bangkoyan. Mukhang hindi umuubra ang rebounding skills ni Irog-Irog because of the presence of Bangkoyan from under the basket. Medyo na-overwhelmed masyado si Irog-Irog. Si Irog-Irog magunin nilang high flyer. Rebound king magunin siya sa Kahayagan. Pero huwag mo seller kay Amas Bangkoyan.
2 shots plus good position.
2 shots plus goal. Ito, Joyce, ito gitawag Anspo? Anspo?
Alegria.
Magsayo, pull-up jumper, no good. And ball stolen by Liagono. Napasobra ang pasa. Bangkoyan. And no good. Bakante sana si Bangkoyan. Liagono tries to fake the ball. Diretso na lang. Bangkoyan for 3. Can't get it to go.
First 3 foul. Kahayagan.
Out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Kahayagan. Magsayo fakes, blocked by Bangkoyan. Magsayo outside to Handugan. Ball stolen by Ikin. And Liagono intercepts that pass. Handugan sa gitna. Bangkoyan driving and is fouled by Magsayo.
Foul number 80. David Masayo. First personal foul. Second team foul. Kahayagan.
And Flores basket and a foul.
Substitution. Yagono for Masayo. Foul number 60. Van Doga. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Flores at lumipad. Handugan wins the rebound. Now to Magsayo, guarded by Flores. Magsayo, heavy traffic. Inside pass para kay Yagono. Yagono po karon, no? Murag dili kayo siya. Wala kayo siya gadala sa dula karon. Usually siya mo sa Kahayagan. Good. Magsayo now commanding the game for Barangay Kahayagan, being the core. Traveling violation committed by Bangkoyan. 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Usually magod si Liagono, number 7 ang magkuan, ang magdictate sa dula ba. This time by the command of Magsayo, number 14. Yun, foul. Gutierrez will check in for Handugan.
Foul number 60. Unsportsmanlike foul.
Unsportsmanlike foul.
Full position.
Ang itinawag kay Handugan.
Van third personal foul.
Gutierrez. Ooh! At nahuli pa ni Flores ang fake na yon. Ekin, no good for that layup. Tries to save that ball. Magsayo galing sa labas. Sayang, kung gitira pa to diretso ni Gutierrez, well, siguro di pa to ma-steal, no? But anyways, that's the judgment of the player. Di mo ta kabuot. Kini man kita gadula. Bonggolo, umatake, can't get it to go. And Magsayo is fouled. Shout out di China Marie kay wala kalantaw sa live karon kay restricted iyang account. Kano ma-restrict man na inyong account basig unsa niya gibuhat diya ah. Ekin, pinanglan pa ang kalaban. Liagono fakes, passing into Rodriguez. Balik kay Liagono. And shot won't go. Liagono saves the rebound. Gutierrez umatake sa gitna. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Alegria. Ekin for 3. Whack, 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 whack. Ipilit man, binapog tuara, gilayata ni Mangkuyan. Di na kinahanglag stick. Moingon, ready na kay kumaingon. Bang! Sus, ipilit man di ay. Gutierrez against Ekin. Good defensive play there by Ekin. Now to Liagono. Foul. Uy, 8 puntos na lang ang kalamangan ng Barangay Alegria for this game. Will they cut it to 7? And no good. Montañez, high-flying rebound. Flores, nice cut. Lazy runner, no good. Tapi ka ng bola sa taas. Montañez wins the rebound. Montañez is blocked pero may foul.
Penalty.
Magsayo. Lagpasang pasa. Ikin. Good fake. Good, sa tawag ano eh. And Flores. Nailing that shot. Leagono turns around. Kita man siyang bangkuyan. Hindi na lang siya matira. Passing it to Rodriguez. And Rodriguez fearlessly attacks in the face of Bangkoyan. 50-42. Balik sa 12 ang lamang ng Barangay Alegria. As Bongolo tries to attack. Time winding down with 7 seconds. Napasobra na naman ang mga pasa nila.
5 remaining, 5 seconds.
Back to our ball game from the timeout. Oh, fourth quarter na day. Bangkoyan out of bounds.
Shot clock 80 seconds to shoot.
Malalay fakes, passing into Bangkoyan. Torres unable to steal the ball from behind kay Bangkoyan. Umatake. Flores outside, balik kay Bangkoyan, kinapos sa oras. Shot clock violation. Torres, to Liagono. Renato Liagono, balik kay Liagono, balik kay Torres. Turns around, di makalusot. And intercepted by Bangkoyan. Magsayo saves the ball. Passing it sa opponent. Now to Coraza. Coraza lays it up for 2. Shout out sa Team Kahayagan watching from Danlugan Infirmary by Flordalisa Delina. Montañez, and it's good. And a timeout call here for Barangay Kahayagan.
Right now, Kahayagan. These timeouts from Yuma. City Gonzalo. Margaret Riveros Ferro.
Back to our ball game. Kasugod naman ang FIBA World Cup. Di ay, Coraza behind the back pass para kay Montañez. Pass intercepted now by Magsayo. Now the ball goes to Torres. Torres, Liagono. Passing it to Liagono. Balik kay Liagono. Balik kay Torres. Corner 3. No good. Irog. Nice hustle there by Irog. And the ball will remain in Barangay Kahayagan.
Ball number 30. Malala. First personal foul. First free foul. Alegria.
Irog. Nice fake. Tuliagono sa gitna. Grabe intimidating yun ang presence ni Kuanay, ni Bangkoyan, no? Sa ilalom sa basket. Marang mag-alangan man yun mutira mga players yun. Montañez balik kay Malalay. Ay foul pa or Irog.
Second personal foul. First free foul.
Kana. Malalay. Liagono all the way.
These tackles from Yuma. City Gonzalo. Giger Ariosa.
Malalay. And no good.
Out of bounds. The shot clock 60. 60 seconds to shoot. Foul number 40. Magsayo, second personal foul. First team foul.
Liagono. Now to Gutierrez. Balik kay Magsayo. Liagono sa gitna. Bagsak ang kalaban. Gutierrez. Strong body by Gutierrez. Maganda lang talaga ang pasok niya. Bagsak. Si Ikin. .12 lead for Barangay Alegria. Gutierrez. Now to Irog-Irog. Magsayo sa gitna, double team. Di makalusot. Fade away. Yes, sir! For that jumper kay Magsayo. Ikin, wala clean block by Liagono. Yun, malinis na malinis ang depensa ni Liagono for that block against Ikin. Yun, may foul na tinawag against Magsayo. Bangkoyan. Attacking. No good. Agawan ang bola sa baba. Good hustle defense by Kahayagan. Bangkoyan still unable to make that shot. 6-point lead for Barangay Alegria. Sayop din ko ganina nila to 12. 8 to ganina. 8-second violation committed by Magsayo. Sayang. Panahon na sana para makabawi ng Barangay Kahayagan. Flores. Now to Bangkoyan. Good play for Bangkoyan. And he's already fouled. Oh, basket still count. Basket count pa rin. So Bangkoyan will have a trip to the line and will try to complete a 3-point play. Bangkoyan completes the 3-point play, extending their lead to 9. Liagono, no look pass para kay Gutierrez, and he's blocked by Bangkoyan. Now to Flores, passing it to Higuin. Sa ilalim, turns around, stepping on the line. Ball will go to Barangay Kahayagan. 63 to 54, and we still have 4 minutes and 29 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Gutierrez. Minalas ang pasa. Torres will check in for Kahayagan. Bangkoyan. Aatake. What a fearless defense there by Magsayo. Kaso lang kinapos si Magsayo. Torres hindi makalusot. Now to Liagono. Corner 3. Off the glass. No good. Bangkoyan ulit. Atake na naman si Bangkoyan. To Bangkoyan. Off the glass is good. At bigla na namang lumobo ang lamang ng Barangay Alegria for this game.
These seconds from Yuma. Ini Lazaro. From Koda. Isela Vicky Fernandez.
Angola, Italy. Kitang-kita ang pasa na yon ni Bangkoyan. Now to Bongolo. Basket and a foul for Bongolo.
Foul number 7, Biancono. Third personal foul.
Malalay is hustled. Kita kay Paul Yagono.
Penalty. Foul number 7, Biancono. For personal foul.
Bangkoyan. Second throw. And it's good. Naku, biglang lumobo ang lamang ng Alegria. Yagono fires from downtown. Missing it this time.
Shot clock 14 seconds to shoot.
Yagono for 3. Lagpas. Rebounded now by Bangkoyan. Bangkoyan all the way is good. Magsayo. A rondo move is good by Magsayo. Nanaon sana man si Yagono. Sige naman kapaw.
Yagono 5 fouls. Penalty. Shot clock 14 seconds to shoot. Shot clock 7.
Oh, ilog pa sila sa iyang kauban. Bangkoyan. Baseline jumper, no good. And Andugan for 2.
Last 2 minutes. These last 2 minutes will be over. Players starting from. Players starting as center.
Bangkoyan. Corner 3. And no good. Yagono. Lapo. Papag yun na sa loob tarong.
Shot clock 14.
Isa pa. Take 2. Bang! Finally nailing into the corner. Torres babawi. Lagpas. Diagono is there. Traveling violation by Bongolo. Tawa na, ipatak-an na lang upasa. Time winding down with 37 seconds left.
Off of bounds. Point remaining, 31 seconds. Going up work in final quarter. Magsayo.
And Magsayo scoring for Kahayagan. I think that may be the last score for Kahayagan for this afternoon.
Foul number 40, Magsayo, fourth personal foul.
That seals the deal for this game this afternoon. And that's the end of our regulation, mga ka-Asenso, 78 to 62. Congratulations to Barangay Alegria for winning this ball game. This has been your commentator, Gab. Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. And next game for our Urban Division, Dumagok versus
Final
Cavs.
score, 70-62. Winner, Barangay Alegria. Case from Yuma, Mayor Sami Pro, Mayor Sami Asensa.